Hey you guys, welcome back to Natara Space. I am Natara. In today's video, I'm going to be in my son's bathroom. I'm going to get in here and deep clean his bathroom. This bathroom is in dire need of a cleaner, you guys. So I'm going to get in here and get it all scrubbed up and down. So if you're interested in seeing what it looks like at the end, please stick around. Okay, you guys, I'm going to be using this Comet Soft Scrub Cleanser for the toilet as well as the spick and span. I'm also going to go ahead and just spray down this toilet and also put some of this Comet on the inside of Xavier's toilet and use it on the tub as well. The reason why I'm using this on the inside of the toilet, I'm just going to let it sit for a while and use it around the toilet seat as well. Then I'm going to take this sponge and I'm going to use it to spread the soft scrub around the toilet seat. And then I'm going to pour some of this pine sol off inside of the commode. Now that I have that done, I'm going to take this spick and span cleaner and spray down his tub. And then I will also use some of that cleanser, that soft scrub cleanser in this tub as well. And then I'm just going to get in there and just scrub it up. For the ones who don't know me, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Natara, and over here I like to do cooking, cleaning, organizing, and on Wednesday night we have Wednesday night prayer. So if that's your thing, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And also, you guys, I would like to thank everybody who comes back for another video. I really do appreciate you guys. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Make sure that the bell is turned on. Like this video. And also, you guys, share this video with some of your family and your friends. Y'all, this tub really gave me a good workout. I had to get down on my hands and knees and get in here and really scrub his tub. While I was scrubbing his tub, I realized that I needed to get the other scrubber because this was really taking a toll on my back. So I'm just going to take that blue scrubber that I use in my shower and I'm going to use it in his tub to finish this up.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go waste another day, mess it up.
Now that I have the tub all clean, I'm just going to take this same spray and wipe down the towel on the back of the tub.
One last time, let me hold you. One last time, what if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't want to.
Okay, you guys, now that the toilet has sat for a while, I'm just going to take this scrubbing brush that I picked up from Dollar General and clean his toilet out. And you guys, you have to try this. Use some soft scrub on your toilet, put it in the water and allow it to sit for a while, and you guys, your toilet will come out spick and span. It was so clean and shiny. I really do like this, and I will be using this from now on in my toilet. So now I'm just taking this same scrubber that I had earlier. I'm just going to be scrubbing this toilet seat, you guys. It had like some pee stains on there, but this soft scrub got it off. So if you have, this is a plastic toilet seat, so I was able to get it all off, and then I used this same Spick and Span spray to go ahead and just clean it up, you guys. So from here on out, I'm just going to be, you know, making sure that this toilet is all cleaned up.
One last time, let me hold you. One last time, what if it's too late for me now? What if you've gone to someone else, so it can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. Let me feel your love again.
Okay, you guys, now I'm taking this Crud Cutter that I picked up from Ollie's a while back, and I'm going to be using this on his mirror. You guys, this is a great glass cleaner as well. It's almost up there with the Sprayway, but not, you know, it's not right there, but this is really a good glass cleaner, and it's very inexpensive.
Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know.
Okay, you guys, now I'm taking the Spick and Span cleaner and just spraying down everything over here on his vanity, and I'm just going to you know, wipe down everything, make sure that everything is all clean.
Be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Okay, you guys, now I am just going to be sweeping up all of this debris that's on this floor before I begin to mop. And also, you guys, I'm going to be placing a blue towel over here on his vanity, and then the gray one is going to go on the towel rack that's inside of the shower.
Wanna be with, 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 wanna. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. Let me be. I don't even know if you can been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
Okay, you guys, this is the final look of Xavier's bathroom. You guys, his bathroom is so clean and it came out perfect. And it smells so good in here. I love the smell of pine sol. I had a really great time in here cleaning his bathroom, you guys. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. Please don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, comment down below. Also, make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time I upload. I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.
Never meant to love